Yeah, let's go! Ang hindi kumanta, masusunod na ng bahay, Charis! Ano lang? DJ! Maganda lang kayo sa'yo. DJ, yun na lang ulit. Ayan, lapit po tayo dito, ma'am.
Diyan, dito. Diyan.
Kasi matutunaw
Dito,
na
dyan.
Ready!
Pupuro na yung pangalan to.
Let's go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Louder! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Louder! To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay lang. Happy birthday.
Okay, wish mo muna.
Good health, good health, good health.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Good health.
Yay! Ayan, ilang taon na si Ma'am Flora, si Ma'am Laura? 18 years old. Ayan. Debong-debo. May hilahin po ba siya? Ayan. Ma'am, ready ka na ba sa pasabog? Hanapin niyo po muna yung ihilain dyan, ma'am. Ayan, hilain mo yan, ma'am. Ayan, ayan. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Hilain na yan! Ay, magpahila, madam. Ah! 50! Ayan, dami naman pera ni Ma'am Laura. Ma'am Laura, pautang ha? Yes. Ay, ba't puro 50?
70 kasi yan.
70 pieces.
70 pieces yan. Wow!
Ayan, puro 300. Sige, Ma'am Laura, kaya mo yan. Hila lang ng hila.